What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the Instagram notification sound on your iPhone. There is currently no way to change notification sounds directly via the Instagram app, but there's a simple workaround to get this done. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone and tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile, tap the three bars in the upper right corner to open the menu and select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Notifications and then select Messages, and make sure all the options available here are turned on. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone and navigate to Sounds and Haptics. Tap on Text Tone, and you will see a list of notification sounds. Choose the one you like, and that's it. Your Instagram notifications will now play the sound you selected. Keep in mind that this method will change the notification sound for all apps that use the default text tone, not just Instagram. Hopefully, Instagram will offer more customization options in the future. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.